Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get missing app back on iPhone. To get the missing app back on iPhone, follow these steps. Use the search feature. Swipe down on the home screen, type the app's name in the search bar, and tap it if it appears. Check the app library. Swipe left past all home screen pages to find the app library. Then search for the missing app. Look inside folders. Open your app folders and check if the missing app is inside one of them. Verify if the app is hidden from the home screen. Press and hold the home screen. Tap the three dots at the bottom and ensure all home screen pages are enabled. Check screen time restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and make sure the app isn't restricted. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Open the App Store, search for the missing app, and tap the cloud icon, if available, to reinstall it. Restart your iPhone. Hold the power button or volume up plus power on newer models, then slide to power up and restart your device. Reset home screen layout. Just go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, then Reset, then choose Reset Home Screen Layout to restore default app placements. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.